I'm so happy to welcome back today Dr. Ashley Maru, who is making waves in the legal community as a board-certified musculoskeletal radiologist who's also a personal injury lawyer. His law firm is called Future Firm Law and has 10 years of medical education, followed by 11 more practicing medical doctor here in Tampa, combined with a law degree today. And Dr. Maru is back to talk about the common injuries associated with car accidents. And I am so glad we're talking about this because our conversation just kind of began a week or so ago, and I feel like there's so much to learn. So let's first dive in. People in a car accident, they know they've got pain, they know they're dealing with that. What kind of injuries, first, as a radiologist, did you see when it dealt with car accidents?
A number of injuries, a lot of extremity injuries and a lot of injuries to the spine. So as a radiologist, we're using medical imaging, CAT scans, x-rays, MRIs, etc., to diagnose these injuries. So as a musculoskeletal radiologist, I've had the added benefit and the added training of understanding injuries to those structures, the bones, the joints, the discs in the spine, ligaments, tendons, etc.
So when you're talking about the things that you were able to see as a radiologist and having so many years under your belt there, how does that help you work with clients when it comes to your law firm?
Well, it helps a tremendous amount, and it's really in more ways than I can get into today, to be honest. But let me give you an example. So I brought my spine models today, and one of the things I want to talk about is herniations in the spine.
Okay.
And herniations on top of degenerative disc disease. So degenerative disc disease is the process that normally occurs as we age, as we get into our 30s, 40s, and years beyond, that happens in the spine. And it happens to these discs. This is an example of two spine bones, vertebrae, and a disc between them that provides cushion and support to those bones. As we age, these discs become weaker and we lose height. As we get older, we tend to get a little bit shorter.
Yes, I've always heard that.
Yeah, and the reason is because these discs actually lose height over time. And they even begin to bulge a little bit. If you can see, this disc is bulging a little bit. So they lose height, they weaken, and they bulge. Now, not every disc in the entire body may have degenerative disc disease in them, but when you get into a car accident, because these discs are weaker, they are more susceptible to injury. As a radiologist and now as a lawyer, my job is to find those injuries, and that background setting of degenerative disc disease can make it slightly challenging.
I'm starting to kind of put the pieces together here as we're talking, Dr. Maru, and you say it becomes challenging because I'm assuming that people say, oh, that's happening anyways, and that's where you're like, no, but the car accident does indeed make it worse, which I'm assuming would help all of your clients.
Exactly, and the insurance company lawyers will try to argue, oh, that's chronic, that's degenerative, that's pre-existing. Well, my job is to find injuries on top of that degenerative disc disease. So when I review MRIs, which I do for every one of my clients, I am looking for herniations. Those are injuries to the disc that happen in the background of degenerative disc disease. So if this is a normal disc with normal disc height, and now you've got a degenerated disc that's bulging and has lost height, and then you've got an injury on top of that, like a herniation right here, those herniations are very important to diagnose from an injury standpoint and very important to see. And many radiologists even miss these, but certainly lawyers don't know how to catch these on MRIs.
And just being able to have both of these covered, I mean, the benefits, as we've touched on, of course, for your clients, definitely exceed what others are able to bring to them. And this is kind of one of the more common things we do see in car accidents, right?
It is. It's super common. And finding those herniations and documenting those herniations and proving those herniations, that's what we do at Future Firm, because we're trying to put as much money in our clients' pockets as possible. And seeing these things, the numbers just keep going up, the more herniations that we find in the spine.
I was going to ask, I'm assuming the benefit then is with the clients when it comes to that compensation.
That's true, and that's ultimately all we care about at Future Firm. It's client care, it's client first, it's in doing what's in the client's best interest.
You know, I'm curious, and as we get ready to share your contact information so people can get in touch with you today, Future Firm Law, I love the name. I'm assuming that just kind of is a mission of you being able to bring this unique way of practicing more to more people, hence the name Future.
Exactly, and There are multiple things that go behind the name Future Firm Law,
Yeah.
but we are doing things smarter. We have combined degrees like myself represented in our attorneys at Future Firm Law. We're just doing things a little different. It's one client at a time, trying to change the practice of law.
Good stuff. Well, I'm so glad we were able to talk with you. Again, there's the phone number, there is the website, so you can get in touch with Future Firm Law today. Thank you again, Dr. Maru.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you for joining us again. And summer's not over, so here to share some great recipes to keep the fun going is lifestyle contributor Lee Morsas. Take a look.
There's still plenty of summer left, and I've got so many ways to enjoy. Let's get to it. I'm always looking for shortcuts to help me whip up a delicious meal, and Newman's Own has so many tasty options. Whether you're serving a crowd or just feeding the family, their new garlic vinaigrette and marinade is full of flavor and incredibly versatile. It's my go-to for salads, pastas, and marinating meat. I made the simple Mediterranean Orzo salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, chickpeas, arugula, olives, and feta cheese. And these marinated veggie kebabs are so simple to make and taste so good. The garlic vinaigrette and marinade is made from premium ingredients, is gluten-free,